want to show you this really cool balayage color on Rosella by Belle Tress. I purchased the style with my own funds. You can find it and all of the other Belle Tress styles at Wig Studio One. If you go below this video and expand the description box, I will attach a link below. It'll be titled Belle Tress Rosella. You'll see all the colors that Rosella comes in, as well as the pricing. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support at wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group, Instagram page, and YouTube channel. You've probably all seen many reviews of the Belle Tress Rosella. I know I have a few up on this channel as well. But it's funny how color changes a style a bit. So Rosella is your long length, kind of California beach wave style, one of the original beach wave styles that was out by Belle Tress. And that front piece is about 12 inches and it's about 19 inches in overall length. If you like the style but wish it had a bang, you could trim in a bang to this Rosella, or you could just go ahead and purchase a bang ready to go right out of the box. I recommend the Belle Tress's London High Tea would be a great one as a sister style to Rosella. I really also like the Tea Rose style as well, both of them featuring the ready-made bang. But today it's all about this color, Coconut Brown Sugar. Coconut Brown Sugar is a part of the balayage color collection by Belle Tress. Now these colors are not available on every Belle Tress style. You'll notice that most of their core colors will be on all of the styles, but their fashion shades and their balayage colors are available only on a limited amount of styles. Rosella happens to be one of them, and I think it's beautiful. I think the balayage technique really brings out this texture. So the balayage colors are more of a painted on highlight technique. So what looks like it's a very long root is actually the base color. And on Coconut Brown Sugar, that's a medium brown. And this brown is more of a neutral brown. I'm not seeing that it's very warm at all. Neither is it too ashy. So just a nice medium brown that's more neutral in tone. That really sets the stage for these highlights. So with the balayage, they typically will just sort of use a painted on technique for the highlights. The highlight color you'll notice is going to be a platinum and a very pale ash blonde mix. And the highlights get a little more profuse until you reach a solid platinum tip effect here on this color as well. So it looks like a really heavy frosted appearance on a medium brown overall color. Now it could look like it was grown out too. So, you know, if you went and had an all over highlight done and let it grow, it would probably look much like this. But again, I just want to caution you, this is not a long root. You're just seeing that the highlights are so profuse and they blend into solid tips. It makes it look a little more like a grow out. But you can see the base color from all angles of this color. Overall, this is a cool color. If you are a blonde lover like myself, I think there's enough blonde in here. That's why I selected this color. But if you're brunette, it just looks like you've had this painted on highlight done, which would run hundreds of dollars and probably all day in a salon. And you would really have to find a salon colorist that knew what they were doing to make this application so perfect. And because this is a wig, it's perfect every time. So again, this... So Rosella and Coconut Brown Sugar. Thanks so much for joining me today for a look at this beautiful color on Rosella by Belle Tress. Be sure to check it out in the links below. We'll see you soon, right here on TAZSWIG Closet.